Hey guys, a new version for the Unity Low Poly Game Kit is available that you can download for free from the Asset Store. I added this new park bench model that you can also find in the prefabs. The advantage of using the prefab is that the collider is already attached. Just drag it into your scene like that. Another feature is the pick-up animation that is played when the character is collecting an item. As you can see, it is picked up and added to the inventory. If you want the player to use it, you have to click onto the item, or you press the keys from 1 to 9 for the appropriate slot. But there's a new option for inventory items to use the item directly after the player collected it. And this property is called Use Item After Pickup. I enabled this here for the X. And after pressing the F key for collecting it, the item is attached directly to the player's hand. For some items this makes sense, for other ones it doesn't, so you can configure it for each item. So let's have a look at the source code, perhaps you're interested in how this is implemented. I go to the inventory item, press F12, and you can see there's a new property, Use Item After Pickup, which is a bool property. And in the player controller, in the method pickup_item, I check if this property is set, and only in this case I call the method useItem of the inventory. You can get the new version here from the Unity Asset Store. The current version is 0.65 and it is continuously extended and improved. The game kit is completely for free and I want to keep it available for free, but the development takes time, so I need your support. Please consider being my patron, because this would really help this game kit and my channel grow. The next steps will be to add new characters, a dialogue system, a quest system, and if you have any wishes or ideas, please add them to the comments below, but the wishes of my patrons will be taken into special consideration. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.